Assalamualaikum and good day everybody. Today we are going to learn ratios, rate and proportion. What will you learn in this chapter? Okay, why do we need to study this chapter? Ratio, rate and proportions are involved in the fields that require the concept of comparisons. This is Hippocampus kuda. It is a type of seahorse found in river estuaries. These seahorses are facing extinction and must be conserved and appreciated. To estimate the seahorse population at a certain habitat, marine biologists will take the first sample of the seahorses and then release them back to the original sites where they were collected from. Now, let's look at 4.1, ratios. The ratio between two quantities is the comparison between the two quantities. For example, the length of red ribbon to the length of yellow ribbon is 5 cm to 7 cm. The comparison above can be written as 5:7. Ratio is used to compare two or more quantities of the same kind that are measured in the same unit. For example, the ratio of 5,000 gram to 9 kilogram can be represented as 5,000 gram ratio 9 kilogram equal 5 kilogram ratio 9 kilogram equal 5:9. If you see here, the first unit is gram, in gram, 5,000 gram. After that, it is changed to kilogram. After both units are equal, then only we can come up with the ratio. Okay, the ratio of A to B is written as A:B. Okay, let me ask you, what is the unit of weight? Yes, it is in gram and kilogram. What is the unit of height or distance? Yes, it is centimeter meter. Note that a ratio has no units. Question: write each of the following pairs of quantities in the form A:B. Question A, 3 kilogram, 5 kilogram. How do we write it in the form A:B? The unit are same here, kilogram. So we can just write equal 3:5. How about B? 10 kilometer and 11 kilometer. Since the unit are same, so we can just write 10:11. Let's look at this. See, 2 days and 1 week. If you look at this, the units are different. One in days, another one is in week. 2 days cannot be converted to a week, but 1 week can be converted to days. So we can write 2 equal 2 days ratio 1 week is equal to 7 days. So the answer will equal 2 ratio 7. Okay, let's look at the 1 second and 1 minute. In this question, 1 is in second, 1 is in minutes. 1 second cannot be converted to 1 minute, but 1 minute can be converted in second. So we can just write 1 second ratio 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So we can write the ratio as 1 ratio 60, which the unit are already equal. Do you understand? Now let's look at how do you represent the relationship of three quantities. The learning standard here is to represent the relation between three quantities in the form of A ratio B ratio C. Example 1. Represent the ratio of 0.02 meter to 3 centimeter to 4.6 centimeter in the form of A ratio B ratio C. Solution for it. Okay, first we just write like this. 0.02 meter ratio 3 centimeter ratio 4.6 centimeter. And we can see that the units are not same or different unit. So we need to convert the unit to be all three are same. Convert the unit meter to centimeter so that all units are same. Okay, equal to centimeter. 0.02 meter here, if we convert to centimeter, it will be 2 centimeter. Ratio 3 centimeter, ratio 4.6 centimeter. Okay, all units now are same. So we can just write equal to ratio 3, ratio 4.6. Okay, what we need to do now is to convert the decimal to integer or round number. Okay, that one we need to convert. Okay, when you want to convert, you will multiply it with 10. So another ratio here also you need to multiply by 10. Since this one you multiply it by 10, so you also need to multiply here by 10 and here by 10. Okay, you will get ratio equal 20, ratio 30, ratio 46. And for this one, you can simplify it. You can simplify it, okay, by, okay, dividing it by 2. Okay, if you divide by 2, okay, divide by 2, you will get 10, divide by 2, you will get 15, and divide by 2, you will get 23. Okay, this is the simplest form in ratio. Write each of the following in the form of A ratio B and ratio C. 5 liter ratio 9 liter ratio 12 liter. Here we can just write, since the unit are same, we can just directly write 5 ratio 9 ratio 12. For B, we can also see that all units are same, so we can just write 7 ratio 16 ratio 12. And this one, this is the simplest form. Okay, we cannot divide this number to make it more simpler. And look at this one. This one is 1.2 centimeter. 8 millimeter, 7 millimeter. Okay, 1.2 centimeter, we can convert it to B millimeter, okay, by multiplying with 10. 1 centimeter equal, okay, 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter, okay. So 1.2 centimeter multiplied by 10, we will get 12 millimeter. Now you get 12 millimeter ratio 8 millimeter ratio 7 millimeter. Okay, all units are same, so you can just write 12 ratio 8 ratio 7. Since this is the simplest form, we cannot divide it by any round number to make it more simpler. Okay, now let's look at this one. D 1 minute, 1 hour, and 1 over 4 hour. Okay, 1 minute, 1 hour we can convert it to minutes. 1 over 4 hour we also can convert it to minutes. 1 hour, if we convert to minute, is equal 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal 60 minutes. 1 over 4 hour, if we want to convert it in minute, we multiply it by 60, you will get, okay, you will get 15, okay, 15 minutes. Okay, now you get in minutes, units in minute, 1 minute ratio 60 minutes ratio 15 minutes. Since all units are same, now we can just write 1 ratio 60 ratio 15. 1 ratio 60 ratio 15. As for the answer. Do you understand now?